Every year, millions of wild salmon begin an incredible journey from the icy waters of the Pacific Ocean through the hands of fishermen and onto America's dinner tables. Today, we'll follow that journey from net to plate. In places like Alaska's Bristol Bay, fishermen set out before dawn. They wait with specially designed nets for the salmon to return to the river where they were born. Salmon make this journey only once in their lives to spawn. When the nets are heavy, you know it's a good day. Freshness is the key. The fish are packed on ice immediately after they are caught to maintain quality. Time is the enemy. Every hour counts before they reach processing. At the processing plant, salmon are cleaned, filleted, and sorted by size and quality. Some fish are immediately frozen to maintain freshness. Some are canned for long-term storage, and the best parts are prepared fresh for same-day shipping. From the plant, salmon is transported across the country by refrigerated trucks and planes. Within days, it arrives at grocery stores and seafood markets, bright, fresh, and ready for the buyer to pick. Whether grilled on a home barbecue or served in a restaurant, salmon has become one of America's favorite proteins, popular for its rich flavor and health benefits. One fish, a journey of thousands of miles, the work of countless people every step of the way. This is the story of salmon, from the wild ocean to your plate. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.